Asus Router Login Guide. You can log into your Asus router using a web browser or the Asus Router app. Here's how to do it via a browser. Open a web browser, for example Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Enter one of the following addresses into the address bar. http://router.asus.com. Year 192.168.1.1, default IP address for Asus routers. Enter your login credentials. If this is your first time logging in, or you've reset the router to factory settings, you'll need to set up a new username and password. If you don't remember your credentials, try the default ones. Username, admin. Password, admin, or check the router's label for default credentials. Troubleshooting login issues. If you see a security warning, for example, about an untrusted certificate, you can safely proceed because the connection to the router is still secure. Using the Asus Router app. Alternatively, you can manage your router using the Asus Router app, available on the App Store or Google Play. This app allows you to configure settings, monitor your network, and troubleshoot issues.